not once I wake up from something that keeps knocking at my brain. Before I go insane, I pull my pillow to my head and scream up in my bed, screaming all the words I dread. I think I love you. This morning I woke up with this feeling I didn't know how to deal with, and so I just decided to myself I'd hide it to myself and never talk about it, and did not go and shout it when you walked into the room. I think I love you. I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of a love there is no cure for. I think I love you. Isn't that what life is made of? Though it worries me to say that I've never felt this way. I don't know what I'm up against. I don't know what it's all about. I've got so much to think about. Hey, I think I love you. And what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of a love there is no cure for. I think I love you. Isn't that what life is made of? No, it worries me to say that I've never felt this way. Believe me, you really don't have to worry. I only want to make you happy. And if you say, hey, go away, I will. Nothing better still, I better sit around and love you till you think I have a case. Let me ask you to your face, do you think you love